The repair process is based upon the hydraulic injection of resin into the damaged area. The Elite repair bridge is used to hold an injector firmly against the glass. This creates a seal so that the resin can be applied to the brake. It is critical that the bridge is set up correctly, as this will ensure that no time is lost or resin wasted during the repair process. The kit includes a mirror which can be attached to the inside of the windscreen to give a clearer view of the brake as the bridge is set up. Next, we'll take a look at the bridge itself. Note that the arm of the bridge can be rotated left and right to aid inspection of the area during repair. Ensure that the arrow on the arm does not go beyond either of these outer markers. Apply the water-based gel to the rim of the suction cup only. Place the bridge against the surface of the windscreen, with the aluminium collar positioned over the impact crater. Press the suction cup firmly down and flip the cam lever to lock the bridge into place. Check that the impact crater is still located centrally within the aluminium collar and adjust as required. You may find the LED torch useful here. Next, take the injector body from the kit. Both the plastic and stainless steel versions of the injector can be used, depending on personal choice. They are used in the same way. The injector body features a fine thread which allows it to be screwed into the collar. A small lip prevents it from being over-tightened. It should come to a light rest against the surface of the windscreen at an angle of 90 degrees, which ensures that the resin will not leak. The process for using the stainless steel injector is the same. Again, a small lip prevents the injector body being over-tightened and damaging the windscreen. Look down the injector to ensure the crater is still aligned with the centre of the seal. Again, the gel allows a degree of manoeuvre if correction is required. The bridge is now set up and we are ready to apply the resin to the damaged area.